Bore da a croeso I Gair Cymraeg y Dydd Heddiw. Good morning and welcome to today's Welsh word of the day. Bit of a bonus one, something I forgot to do yesterday's. And seeing as it's the Rugby Six Nations Super Saturday coming up on Saturday, October the 31st, we're going to go with some Welsh words for the Six Nations. And the first one is Pencampwriaeth y chwech gwlad. Pencampwriaeth y chwech gwlad. Championship Six Nations, or the Six Nations Championship, which has its finale on Saturday. Remember to say it as you see it. That's the first one. The second one is pale. Pale. And pale is Welsh for ball. And obviously without a rugby ball or a pale rugby, you couldn't play rugby. So, pale rugby and Pencampwriaeth y chwech gwlad. Two Welsh words for the price of one today. Remember to say them as you see it. Mwynhewch, enjoy, hwyl fawr.